Hey everybody, it's Morgan from Chandler's. Today we're shooting the new P365 Fuse. Alright, so one thing I love about this gun is it's slim enough to carry, but it's also big enough to have fun with at the range. I love the grip. The slide is awesome, the serrations on the slide, so it makes it super easy to rack. The sight on it just comes right up into place for me, at least. It's got a fiber optic front, so it just comes right up on point. It's got a pretty nice trigger. The trigger guard is really nice, gives you a good placement for your hand, I think. Overall, for a slim pistol, I mean, you're getting 17 rounds. It also comes with a 21 round extended mag to give even more grip. So to have like the slim frame, but then yet still have almost the full size gun and 17 rounds plus one is awesome. Overall, I think this is one of the best new guns on the market, in all honesty.
You add it to your collection?
Yes.